Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility and gathering parts. Identify which ports your PC and monitors have, then choose the best matching cables. Use active adapters for mixed signal conversions. Once done, plug each monitor into separate GPU or motherboard outputs, power them on, and set each monitor's input. You're doing this now to avoid driver confusion later. Getting physical connections correct first reduces software troubleshooting and ensures the system will detect monitors reliably when you move to configuration steps. You next handle the operating system configuration so screens behave logically. Open Display Settings, click Detect if a monitor isn't shown, then assign one as the main display. Choose Extend to expand your desktop versus Duplicate to mirror. Adjust resolution and scaling individually so text and windows remain readable. Once arranged, drag the virtual monitors to match their physical positions and set orientation for rotated screens. Make sure to apply and test by moving your cursor across monitors to confirm alignment and smooth workflow. You finish by optimizing performance and addressing common problems. Update your GPU drivers and reboot. This often resolves detection or flicker issues. If a monitor still won't show, swap cables and ports to isolate a defective cable or port and test refresh rate compatibility in advanced settings. Use the GPU control panel to create profiles, set per monitor color calibration, and configure multiple GPUs if present. One troubleshooting tip: if a monitor intermittently disconnects, replace the cable first. Loose or damaged cables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.